Ooh, spooky. Oh, yeah. Not this guy. We're looking for this guy. Oh my god. Holy dude. Alright. I did plug it in for a bit. But let's just re-plug it in real quick. Hold on. This is a super old laptop, as you can see by the crust. What the hell is it? Looks like a... whatever that is. Now, the cool thing about this is that this is ancient technology, which means we can do this. Look at that, dude. We can just take the whole battery out. What does this screw lead to? Let's figure out what's in here. Yeah. Get out. What's in here? Oh. What is this alien technology? I wanted this thing to power on and run natively because I'm not a tech gizmo guy, so we're just gonna pop this back. Pop. Yep. Okay. Oh. Damn. Let's power this baby on. Should have bought a better tripod. What are we doing? Give me life. Now. Give me life. Life. Dude, going to turn on. I command you to turn on. Dude, all the buttons line up. Come on. Come on. Oh. Please. Please. Holy shit. What the? Huh? That's pretty cool. Bro, I'm gonna go wash my hands. And I'll get back to you. Holy crap. It is exactly what I guessed it was. Windows 7. I don't know what it wants me to do. What flash drive it wants me to insert. So, not that. Okay, you know what? I think I'm just gonna screw and factory reset the thing. What does this do? Make your computer easier to use. Whoa. Alright, this guy in a tutorial said I just have to hold 0 and then power after the thing shuts down. So let's just 0 and press power button once. And then I'll hear a long-ass beep. He said almost any Toshiba laptop, so let's see. The screen does not look like it does on the camera. I don't know. What? Huh? Well, the mouse is working, so that's good. Whoa. It's doing something. It's ready. Oh, it worked. Okay. Windows. Siete. Oh my giggity gosh. Dude, what a... It did what? It's not an application. Let's do it again. I don't care. Okay, I'm gonna need GPT for this. Okay. I have the Windows 10 flash drive. I didn't even have time to set up my tripod, dude. Windows 10. We seem to have some sort of life. It's doing something. Oh, okay, it's back to this. Okay, this looks like Windows 10.
A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready.
I do not want Cortana!
And if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen.
Oh, yes, please, shut up. Oh my gosh. I did it. Let's go! Oh, let's go. Oh, let's actually go. Oh my god. Oh, it's tweaking. Holy. Stop tweaking. Delete all these stupid store pages, please. Oh, there's some dudes playing stuff. I didn't know Isaac had Rust. Yes. And we find C. I did not want Carlson.
Okay, let's go.
Up, which I made a video about. Here it is. Alright, let's see, we gotta... Can we use HDMI? Oh, it does have HDMI. Whatever, I'll go old school, you stupid VGA. My phone is actively running out of storage as I speak, but we're gonna get the setup done. Good FPS. Let's go, let's go! Anyway, sorry for the abrupt ending, but I'm gonna get a new hard drive to make it faster, and I might get a new kit of RAM, but I'm not sure. Not sure how long it'll be until the next video. Sorry, guys, but yeah, that's it. I got it working, by the way. It works fine. It's just slow as hell.